Alright, turning on the power. Again, cycle through the lights and leaves a red light. So I'll hit the red button on the back. And it goes like that, but it has a red and blue. I'll hit the button one more time. And it goes through this weird, it's like the last thing. Hit the button again. Ooh. Where does it think it needs to burn something? I don't have I shouldn't have a file in there. Okay. I'm going to turn it on again, but I'm going to put the computer screen on the view now. Okay, now I'm going to power up the laser so I can reach the power button. Laser's on, just the red light again, so I'll hit the red button. Now it's got a red and blue light, so I'll go here to the Neje software. I have verified that the USB cable is connected to the computer, as I plugged in another USB device to it, and that functions fine. The laser still is red and blue light.
Pancho, quiet. Shh.
Okay, there's the error. It pops up every time. I never get a connection. When I click OK, never connects. Click connect. I'll hit the reset button on the laser, and right away the laser runs out to the middle section, and it starts doing the little thing showing me where it's going to laze, but it's not, it doesn't have a file yet.
Pancho, shut up! Quiet!
There's no file, no new file to the laser. It just has the last file.